Hello students, welcome all of you. Today we have to see division. What is log? Log of m divided by n. M and n are numbers. Is equal to log of m minus log of n. Log of m minus log of n. Example. Thirty-one, 4, 5, 2 divided by 0.021 3 1 2 5 3 1 2 5. Then apply this log here. Then log of 3145.23 divided by, it can be written as like this, 0.0213125. Write it in vertical form. Log of 3145.23 minus log of 0.0213125. In division, there is subtraction of log. Take log table in your hand. First write down characteristic. This number is greater than 1. Integral part showing this number is greater than 1. Measure the number of digits in integral part. Subtract 1 from it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Characteristic with here 3. Here this number is less than 1. If given number is less than 1, then C. Total number of successive zeros adjacent to decimal point here is only 1. Add 1 to it and give bar to its head. Here characteristic will be 2 bar. 1 plus 1, 2 bar. Negative characteristic. Then see the log of 31 in 4 and mean difference in 5. Fifth digit is 2. Then no need to add 1 in a fourth digit. Consider only first 4 digit to see the log and write down Mantissa of that number. This is logarithmic bench, logarithms. Then 31 in 4, 4969, 4969, and characteristic in 5 is 7, 4969, and characteristic in 5 is 7. By adding, we get Mantissa of this number. Then we get 974976. 4976. Similarly, त्याचप्रमाणे log of 20, see the log of 21 in 3 and mean difference in 1. 21 in 3, 3 to 8, 4. 3 to 8, 4. And mean difference of 21 in 1 is 2. Log of 21 in a 3 is 3, 2, 8, 4. And by adding we get 3, 2, 8, 6. 3, 2, 8, 6. Take subtraction of this. Take subtraction. 6 minus 6, 17 minus 8, 9, here 1, 9 minus 3, 6, 4 minus 3, 1, and here characteristic becomes positive because of this negative symbol, negative sign. 3 plus 2 characteristic will find. By new method subtraction, आमच्या वेळेस आम्ही या पद्धतीनं सबस्ट्रॅक्शन करायचं. 3, 6, 3, 2, 8, 6. Here, take borrow 1 10, borrow here, then it becomes 8, and 17 minus 8, 9. Then 8 minus 2, 6, and 4 minus 3, 1, and here characteristic, subtraction of characteristic, it becomes positive. Then 3 plus 2, 5. Here subtraction is done by 2 methods. दोन्ही पद्धतीने subtraction करून दाखवले. Then antilog of 16 in a 9 and a mean difference in a 0. See antilog page. There is no column of 0 in a mean difference. Antilog of 16, 0.16 in a 9 is 1476. 1476. Now we have to put decimal point according to this characteristic. कसं द्याल? By the trick, give decimal point after one digit from the left side of this number and multiply it by 10 raised to as the characteristic. Here characteristic is 5 plus 5. Understood? Or you can write as 1476 0 3 5. Again take 0. अशा पद्धतीने हा संख्या लिहायची की कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक किती आली पाहिजे? 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6. कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ दिस नंबर विल बी 5. किंवा by multiplying this to this number then we get this. Understood everyone? Next one example. आणखी एक example बघू आपण. Example 61 3 2 5 0 divides by 0.0031 2 2 1 6. Then equal to log of this 613.250 divides by 23122.6. Writing in vertical form. Vertical form. Then log of 613.250 minus log of 0.0312216. Subtraction. Then here this number is greater than 1. So that characteristic of this number, measure the number of digits in integral part 1, 2, 3. Characteristic is 2. Here number is less than 1, characteristic will what? Measure successive 0 adjacent to decimal point. Here are 2, add 1 to it and give bar to its head. Characteristic will be 3 bar. Then here we have to approximate this number in a 4 digit. Fifth digit is 5. Fifth digit is 5. If fifth digit 5 or greater than 5, add 1 to the fourth digit and see the log of first 2 digit in a third and mean difference in a fourth digit. Then see log of 61, logarithmic patch, log of 61 in a 3, 7, 8, 7, 5. 7, 8, 7, 5. And mean difference of 61 in a 3 by adding in a 3 is a 2. Then we get 7, 8, 7, 7. 7, 8, 7, 7. Then here fifth digit is 1. No need to add 1 in a fourth digit. So see the log of 31. See the log of 31 in a 2. Here is 4942. 4942. And see mean difference of 31 in a 2 is 3. Then say 4945. 31. 4945. 4945. Take subtraction of this. Then we get 7 minus 5, 2, 3. Here 18 minus 9, 9. Here 7 minus 5, 2. Then here it becomes positive due to this negative sign. Plus 3 plus 2 get 5. Here get 5. Then here by second method subtraction will 4945. 2. Here 7, 17. Sorry. 3. Here 6. 18 minus 9, 9. 6 minus 4, 2. And plus 3 plus 2, 5. Then anti of 29 in 3. Anti of 29 in 3. 1963. 1963. Anti mean difference of 29 in 2 is 1. Again anti of 29 in 3. 1963. And mean difference 1964. Give the decimal point after one digit and write this characteristic 10 raised to as a power. Then we can write 64. And understood everyone? Okay.